What is flex fuel? Flex fuel is a type of fuel that can be a mixture of gasoline and alcohol, usually ethanol. In simple words, flex fuel means a vehicle can run on different fuel types, or a mix of them. The most common type of flex fuel is called E85, which contains 85% ethanol, 15% gasoline. Vehicles that can use this fuel are called flex fuel vehicles, FFVs. These vehicles are designed to automatically adjust the engine based on the fuel mixture. For example, a flex fuel car can run on petrol, ethanol, or a mix of both. This means the car is flexible in fuel use. Flex fuel is often used to reduce dependence on petrol, support cleaner energy options, use renewable resources like plant-based ethanol. For example, flex fuel helps reduce pollution compared to pure petrol. This means it can be more environmentally friendly. However, ethanol may give slightly lower mileage compared to pure petrol. Here are some more example sentences. He drives a flex fuel vehicle. The car adjusts automatically to the fuel mix. Flex fuel is becoming more popular in some countries. Some related terms include ethanol, gasoline, renewable energy, and fuel efficiency. In simple terms, flex fuel is a fuel system that allows vehicles to run on petrol, ethanol, or both. Easy way to remember. Flex fuel means flexible fuel options for vehicles.